Okay, this is just a short introduction of one of the first RAIN-8 waterfall algae scrubbers from Santa Monica Filtration. That's been put together. Just going to go through a couple of things here with it. So it's twice the size of the RAIN-4. It's a twin screen, so you can harvest one while the other one continues to grow. We have here the, and right now it's just sitting on a shelf, so it can be shelf mounted, or I'll show also the pole mount later. Pole mount option, which I think most people do the pole mount option. This is the power supply, I'm sorry, the power connectors to control the 8 Gem 5 lights inside. Got your handle here to lift off the dome lid. You got your vent, which is also a viewing cover, so you can look inside while it's running and not have to take anything apart. It also does ventilation. Your power cords coming in here, and some ventilation holes here. So let's take off the dome lid, and before you do that you would just remove the back panel. So the back panel, or we call it the back door. Okay, so you reach back, get that out of the way, and maybe you want to, before you do anything, you want to look into the viewing hole to see if there's anything that you want to do. But then when you decide to take it off, just tilt it forward and lift it out. So everything is still running, water still going, the lights can still be on inside the dome lid. And once you're here, if you want to harvest, of course, if it's nice thick green hair algae, you can just pull some off of the screen, or you can just take the screen out and drop it in the display. But if you want to utilize the growth boxes where the growth is going to go down, start collecting there, and you just want to harvest, you're going to take it like that. And so it's going to be in one compact area on the screen and in the growth box, the growth catch box. So you can take that to your sink, or you can just drop the screen into your display. Anyway, after it's cleaned and after you've done your harvesting, whatever you're going to do, you're going to just put that back in. Put on the twist-on cap. And all this can be done with the water still running. Alright, so let's get that out of the way. The dome itself. Okay, so this is going to be your light control. Right now it's a little messy, but all the 8 connectors are in there for each individual 8 lights inside. And so we'll spin this around. Got your 2 power supplies here. These are the same power supplies as on the RAIN-4. There's 2 of these here. And on the inside, you have your lights mounted, Gem 5 lights mounted in a replaceable clip. They just clip in and clip out. The wires are run up in little clip holders over to the side where they go up into the light control box that you can access with the lid. And this can all be done with everything still running. No need to shut anything off. Maybe the lights, because they're going to be pretty bright. Okay, so put the tray, again assuming it's a shelf mount right now, because that's what we're doing the photos on. So we're going to put this back on, and there's some centering tabs inside the dome that center this when you put that on. Okay, that's done. And then put the lid back on. I'm sorry, the back door back on. Reach around like that. That blocks out all the lights. And that is finished. That's the RAIN-8 twin screen waterfall algae scrubber from Santa Monica Filtration.